How can your organization get started implementing humor in the culture if you realize, oh, teams are lacking, culture's lacking? And by the way, the reason I didn't bring up individual humans is if your team and culture are lacking, trust me, the root is the humans are probably lacking either the freedom, belief, or understanding of how they can implement humor in their own lives and in these team and culture dynamics. So, how do we get started with humor? I think it starts with leaders. First, leaders need to lead by example. This means showing vulnerability, being willing to laugh at yourself, and creating spaces where humor is actually welcome. This aligns again with the love cornerstone. Leaders who show compassion and vulnerability set the stage for a culture of empathy and connection. Start meetings with a lighthearted question or a funny story. Celebrate the wins and the losses with a sense of humor. Let people know it's okay to be human.